Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. Today I want to talk to you about deep linking within the Amazon Associate Program. This is a technique that can really up your off-site sales and sales conversion if you are sharing links from Amazon onto platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, etc. So let's dive in. So what is deep linking? It's a service that you put your associate's link into. It allows clicks from your associate's link to be seen longer on people's computers and devices so that you're more likely to get credit for the sale. And it also will open the Amazon app if they click on it from their phone or tablet, which is huge because so many sales are lost because when you click on an Amazon associate's link from Facebook or Instagram that is not deep linked, what happens is it will open up the Facebook or the Instagram web browser and ask them to sign into Amazon instead of opening the Amazon app. And then everybody with the Amazon app is annoyed and they see what the product is now. And so they just hop over to their Amazon app and they type it in and search for it themselves instead of using your link, and then you don't get the sale. Deep linking, if you are sharing off-site, is definitely worth taking an extra step to do. So I have been with the Amazon Associates program for many years. And I've been in the influencer program for about 3 years and really hitting that hard for the past year and a half or so. Once I found out about deep linking, I was like, oh, I don't want to do an extra step. Is it really that big of a deal? But I gave it a shot. And this is really when I was posting a lot on social media and really trying to get my Amazon income growing. And I was shocked. Within the first day or two, my sales were tripling on offsite. Now, don't get too excited. My sales were like 30 cents a day, but I was getting more credit. I was getting more credit and more sales than I was. And so it really was, I saw a noticeable difference by deep linking. And so ever since then, I have been a deep linker. Now, there are lots of different services out there, such as Link Twin or Genius Link. I personally prefer Posttap because it's free. And number two, it's been developed by Amazon. And so that's what I choose to use because I'm going to save money where I can and spend the money and invest the money where it's going to help me make more money. So let's check out Posttap. Google Posttap and it's called Created by Button. And it will have you sign in with your Amazon credentials, which is totally legit. So you'll sign on with your Amazon influencer, associate, email, and password. Link those accounts, and then this is what your homepage is going to look like. Now, we're going to go to Amazon, and let's look at today's deals. Let's say, oh, these are some great, these yellow boxes, this is Fluencer fruit, so just ignore that for right now. Let's look. Let's say we want to share this surge protector because it's a great deal. What we're going to do is you're going to see your site stripe here on the top. We're going to click Get Link. Now, you'll have your off-site ID, which should be your username and then a dash and then a number like a 20 or 21 or something. And then your tracking ID, you can create these actually in the back office to track where you're going to, maybe you're doing a sale. I have one for YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. And so I can create a link to track where that traffic is coming from. But honestly, you don't really need that because Posttap will tell you where the traffic is coming from, which is really great. So we're going to copy this associate's link right here. Copy. Now we're going to go to Posttap and we're going to enter this here in the destination. Hit enter. And it's going to do the title of the product. And then it also, this is another bonus about Posttap. It lets you know if there's a creator connections campaign for that. And you can opt in right here from this screen if you want to. And then we're going to click create short link. And then we're going to copy. Now, do you see how the link changes? It changes to amzlink.to and then a bunch of numbers and letters. So we're going to copy that. You can even get a QR code if you want if you want to post that. Now we're going to go to my Facebook group and we're going to say, great price on this extension cord. You can never have enough of these. Then you're going to do your link, okay? And then we're going to do our hashtag earns commissions or whatever FTC disclaimer you want to do. You need to make sure you have that. Anywhere you are sharing your links, please do your disclaimer hashtags or your disclaimer statements so that you're compliant. Now on Facebook, it will give you a preview of the item, which is totally fine. Or if you want to add a picture, maybe you have this product and you have a picture of you with the product or the product in your home, you can share that image. And then you're going to click post. And then if somebody is on their phone and they see your post and they want to buy that item, they'll click on it and it will open up in the Amazon app. Or if they click on it from a desktop, it's going to open up in their Amazon, just an Amazon tab, okay? And that credit is going to go to you when they check out. Now, just them adding it to your cart, you don't get credit for that unless they check out within about 24 hours, I believe. Nobody really knows the exact time limits, I don't think. But this way, you can get that credit. You're more likely to get the credit. The cookie stays with the device, or whether it's a phone, computer, tablet, longer than you would have just with an associate's link, and you're going to get credit on that item. Now, on Posttap, you can see different reports to see where your traffic is coming from, so like here, most of my traffic comes from Facebook, which is not surprising. It's going to tell you your top short links. It's going to tell you this came from a browser, this came from YouTube, this came from Instagram. And you can change the dates here and really just look at a lot of different reports, which is awesome as well. And you can also, if you go to, you're like, oh, I know I made a link for that Life Pro vibration plate. So I can go here. You can export spreadsheet data as well so that you can have that if you're a data junkie and want to look through that. But definitely deep link if you're sharing your links offline. Now, one thing to remember, and hopefully you've already done this, if you are sharing links outside of Amazon, you need to make sure that that URL, that website, the main site is here in your account settings. Go to account and then account settings, and then go to edit your website, mobile app, and Alexa skill set list. And you need to add your websites here. So if you're adding this on YouTube, you need to put your YouTube channel URL there. Or if you're adding it on a Facebook group, that Facebook group needs to be public and add the Facebook group there. I don't think that you need to add the Posttap URL, but I have it on there just in case. But any place that you're going to be sharing links needs to be added on this list. You click add, and then it will say, are you targeting kids under 13? And you say no, and then it will update that list. So make sure you do that. Another thing with deep linking that I recommend, especially if you're not a huge offsiter, or even if you are a big offsiter, something that I do, because I'm pretty minimal in my groups, is I do a today's deal post. And I have 7 different images that look like this. Here you can see them. See, those are all my today's deals, okay? And I schedule them out about every 2 months. And the today's deals list is going to look different for every single person. And so I just went to ChatGPT. I have 7 different images of me, different colors. And then I go to ChatGPT and say, hey, give me a one-liner that's going to help people want to click on this link. And the today's deals are going to be unique based on your Amazon browsing history. If you go to the main page on Amazon, right up here, you will see a today's deal. And then you can get the link up here, grab that, go to your Posttap, put it in here. Let me show you. It's going to give you, on a link like this, oh, it actually does give you today's deals. Sometimes it'll just say like other link or something like that, but you can edit this link name, which is great. You can also add labels if you're wanting to track these by, okay, all my fashion finds, all my automotive finds, all my pet finds, things like that. You can label them. I really haven't done that. But you create the short link, and then you can post that link over and over again and have it scheduled out so that every day that is at least one post that is showing up on your Facebook page or your Instagram page or your Facebook group or whatever. And that way you can get some clicks off for your offsite, which for me has been, it's not super lucrative, but I do get sales through there, which is nice because I really don't do a lot of offsite stuff. Instagram, for example, links do not show up. So when you got the post, this link is not going to be clickable on a computer or on a phone. So what I've got is I will create a story where you can add links, And then I have one pinned. And so they can go here, they can click on it, visit link, and it's going to take them to the today's deals page. And that way you can get those. So hopefully you've seen the benefit of deep linking. It definitely increases the longevity of your link and that click that they are going to click on. Definitely follow the FTC guidelines and rules for tagging your and labeling your post so that you are following those rules. Definitely go through Amazon's Creator University. You can easily get to that in your back office. Go to the drop-down menu and it's right on the side, Creator University. Go through that. And I would say review it regularly, because it is always good to be making sure that you're following the rules so that you don't lose your account. But I hope this has been helpful. Definitely like and subscribe. I will have more tutorials coming up on the Amazon Influencer Program, on the Oink extension, which is huge for making a lot more money, and the Fluencer Fruit extension as well. So we'll see you next time.